So you just lay back. Can you put that rolling pin, like flex your hip and put that rolling pin behind the knee? Yep, just like that. Can you grab it with, can you crunch up or grab it with both hands? There you go. And so it's a combination here. What you're doing is you're pulling back, bringing the thigh toward your chest, but then you're also kind of pushing that rolling pin up toward the ceiling. So you're getting a little bit of kind of gapping. That tibia, which is the lower leg bone, is translating forward. The leg is relaxed. Gravity is pulling into flexion. What does that feel like?
Nothing.
Comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Seems like it went down a little bit further.
I
maybe.
agree. You got more than 90 degrees of flexion right now. And so let's spend like another minute or so just kind of working through that area. Yeah, you can roll the hamstring, you can roll the calf, but the main thing is just kind of feeling that pressure while gravity is pulling the foot down toward your hip.